This is a brand new 2014 BMW 328. This car has an automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and all-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include a technology package, the premium package, a cold weather package, the driver assistance package, a navigation system, a rear-view camera, BMW apps, comfort access, a heated steering wheel, heated seats, the M Sport package, and high-intensity discharge headlights. The following features are also included: a smartphone adapter, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, Dakota leather upholstery, BMW individual composition, front-side impact airbags, air conditioning with automatic climate control, a split folding rear seat, cruise control, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and the rain-sensing windshield wipers can turn on automatically if their sensor identifies water on the windshield. With an EPA estimated rating of 33 miles per gallon on the highway, it doesn't compromise fuel efficiency for size, comfort, or fun. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Murray BMW of Denver is located at 900 South Colorado Boulevard in Denver. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.